Hi, how are you everybody? Welcome to Tiger Mom's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook eggplant and tofu. Two things people like to tell me, tofu and no taste. I'm going to show you how you can cook delicious tofu. Okay, that's an eggplant. I'm cutting. When you cut like this way, look. Cut, turning, cut, turning, cut, turn. Then you're gonna put the salt, put the garlic, and then you're gonna mix together. Then you're gonna wait around like 15 minutes, and then the eggplant have some water gonna come out. There we go. That's the eggplant. I already squeezed the water out. Look at the water, and then we're gonna throw it out. Look over there. Everybody know that's the tofu. People tell me no taste, and even cook. No taste getting. I'm gonna give you an idea how to cook the tofu and easy getting taste in. Okay, don't cut. Break. Look. At the corner. Break the tofu. Break. Now, water's out, and then we're ready to cook. We're gonna put oil, green onion, garlic. We start like a little brown, and we already squeezed the water. And the tofu together. And then cover it up. You can cook like 3 minutes. Sometimes it's a lot, but you gotta take a little bit more times. We're gonna use in 3 minutes. And then we're gonna add a little salt now. Garlic. And cover it up for about a minute. And then we're gonna turn it, and then we're gonna look if it's dry, and the water we put in is almost no more, almost dry. Okay, that means it's almost done. And then for this time, we're gonna add in red pepper, okay, and then green onion, parsley, and very important, we're going to put a ketchup, squeeze, all right, and then that's the powder, mushroom powder, and then we're gonna turn it. Smells so good and very delicious. This is tofu and eggplant. It's done. Look, looks good, delicious.